What's up, you guys? Jdog back with another video, and today I am in my kitchen. I'm going to be making something that I can eat. Okay, but I'm gonna make it for all of us. So, the first thing you want to get is you want to start your, get a pot. Hold on. Get some butter and eggs, okay? So you get your butter. Take that off here. Get your butter. And if you like a basketball player and you cooking this right now, you can play with it. Play with the butter too, like this. Oh, you can do stuff like that, but so get some type of butter knife, put it on the pot, and rub it. Rub it around in there. Cause you gotta get it everywhere so the eggs don't stick to the pan. That's what I like to do. But if y'all like washing dishes, I don't like to do that. So keep on doing it. Keep on doing it, mug. Keep on doing it. There you go. When it's sizzling, get the eggs. So you gotta bring this to a whole other station. Like this station. Just the freshly eggs. You get a cup. Crack the eggs. I'm a beast. I'm a beast with these eggs, so I crack them like. I just cracked it wrong. Y'all can leave the video if y'all want to. It's just because I know this is a boring video. So hold on, let me try to get this set up right. Okay, here we go. I know this is a boring video. I'm just showing y'all how I do things. Right now it is currently 8:44 in the morning, and I cook for my family, So here is the eggs cracked. Here is the top, and here is the setup. So you get the same thing that you use for the butter. Just whip it up. See that? Listen. Now I am gonna try to make an omelet. I made it one time for my fam. I forgot how to make it though. All these egg bubbles, all those, you get the spatula. Make those go down. Make those go down. Since they're down, now you have to wait. We are currently I'm watching YouTube on my TV. And I'm doing this. Go check guava juice saw it. He's playing Roblox. And I am cooking. So you don't want it to like stick where it's gonna be a hard time. So you're gonna like do something like this. Something like twist. Hey, oh shoot. Well, I messed up. I'm gonna end the video right here. Deuces. Now I'm just playing. Now at the end we're gonna try to add more flavor to it. So we're gonna put new bacon pieces, peppers. And y'all don't holler about in the comments that I ain't put seasoning on it. I'm putting seasoning on it right after I'm done. Okay? So don't holler about that. Don't holler about that. This is doing good. Oh yeah, don't say nothing about my programming though. In the comments, don't say nothing about that because this stuff, ooh, is ridiculous hard, like real hard to do this with a phone hanging in your hand. So after a few, it's gonna get, I'm gonna just end the video because I don't have memory. It's gonna get like this, like this. It ain't done, but you can flip it over because this side is ready to get flipped over. It's gonna have this crispy brown. So the crispy brown is going to, you know, make the omelet good. And you could put some cheese in the middle and stuff. Well, deuces. Hold on. Deuces.